Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to talk about the sampling, distribution of a sample proportion. Okay, we have something called central limit theorem. So B dash normal is B square root 4 B times 1 minus B over N. To use this formula, we have conditions. First, simple random sample. So the sample should be simple randomly. The population times 10 is more than 10 times the size of the sample. So if I'm taking a sample, the sample only multiplied by 10 should be less than the population. The n times p should be greater than 10, and the n times p minus 1 should be also more than 10. Okay, we have a problem, one question. So let's say the Census Bureau reported that 40% of a 50,000 families in a particular region have more than one color TV. What is the probability that a simple random sample of size 100 will indicate 45%? So in that case, the B is 0.4. The number of the sample is 100. The B dash, that's the one we want, 0.45. Now I'm going to test the three conditions. Did it come from simple random sample? Yes, because he said in the question, what is the probability that a simple random sample? So I pass the first part. Is the population is more than 10 times the size, so the population is 50,000, and 100 times 10 is 1,000, so it's more than, so this is the second condition. This is the second condition. Now, n, which is 100 times 0.4, giving me 40, which is more than 10. Now, the other one, 100 times 0.6, because we said 1 minus p is 60, which is always more than 10. So that means it achieved or satisfied all the conditions. So now I'm going to use the formula, which is B dash normal is P, which is 0.4, and P, which is 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 divided by 100. When I'm going to simplify it, it's 0.4 and 0.49. Now, to calculate the B45, Now I need the probability for B dash is more than or equal 0.45. Now we have a formula for the Z, which is B dash minus B divided by B times 1 minus B divided by the N, which is that's 0.45 minus zero point 0.4 divided by the square root for zero point 0.4 times zero point 0.6 divided by 100, which is 0.05 divided by 0.049, and which is almost 1.02. So here I can use the calculator finding shade normal by using second distribution, and I use sorry shade norm and 0.45 and the z value 1 point sorry 0.45, that's the one we thinking about, and 1 and 0.40 and 0.049. That's shade norm. Okay, or in another way I can use the z value. That's one of the ways, or I can use that's the upper limit is 1.02. The lower limit is 1.02. That's the value. The upper limit is, for example, 1e99, and I press enter to find the area. When it's giving me the area, it's 0.153717. Okay, that's how to do this part using the calculator. Wish you understood and have a good